Guys, welcome back to my another video. And in this video I'm going to show you guys how you can get a free Spotify 12 month subscription on your account. So let me show you how you can do that. First you need to open your browser. You can use any browser you want, and you need to visit this website, spotigydes.com. Make sure you tap the web address correctly so you land on the right page. Alright guys, so once you're on the page, you need to scroll down and click on the get premium access. Alright, now here we need to enter your email address. Make sure you enter the correct email address which is associated with your Spotify, which is connected with your Spotify email, Spotify account. Okay, alright, so let me try my email, which is Alright, once you enter your email address, click on continue button. Now here we need to select the country we are from. Since I'm from United States, I'm going to choose United States and click on generate my 12 months promo code. Alright, now we need to complete a sponsored task here. What we have to do here we need to complete any of these two offers and run it for like 2 or 30 minutes or whatever, 30 seconds or whatever it has been instructed here. So let me go and do it. So first I will go with a rewarded play. Let's go with that. Alright, let's install it. Now let's go back and choose another offer. Let's go for any. Let's do this one, Fusion Block. Now let's install it. Now please wait till the installation has been completed. Once the offer has been downloaded, please open and run them. Remember guys, the offer part is very important. If you don't complete offers very carefully, alright guys, let's complete another offer which is Fusion Block. Let's open and run it. And as you can see guys, we have completed this offer also. Now let's go back to the very task page. Let me go back, and there you go guys. As you can see guys, the code generated successfully, and the Spotify premium for 12 months is promo code is ready. And let's use this code in Spotify to show it's a real, not a fake one. Okay, so let me go to the Spotify page and I'll redeem this code right now. Guys, let's add the code we just got, which is XM3Y. Alright guys, now let's click on the continue button and let's see if it worked or not. Alright, the codes are getting checked, and there you go guys. As you can see right here guys, the codes worked and the premium is activated for 12 months guys. As you can see here, the plan Spotify premium for 12 months, and you can see the status is active. So so guys, that's how you can get a free Spotify premium for 12 months by using our website. If you need any help, please let me know in the comment box and I will try to help you out guys. Thanks so much for watching.